Meaning of investment banking.
Investment banking.
Investment banking.
Investment banking.
Investment banking. Investment banking refers to a type of financial service that helps companies and governments raise capital by underwriting and selling securities, such as stocks and bonds. Investment banks also provide advice on mergers and acquisitions, restructuring, and other financial transactions. In addition, they may engage in trading and market-making activities, and offer asset management and other investment services to clients. Overall, investment banking plays an important role in the global financial system by connecting issuers of securities with investors and facilitating the flow of capital across different markets.